Hello everyone, this is Owusu here once again, going to talk about PLCs. Today we are going to learn something about that is a comparison or compare functions, compare and relational functions. What I have done is that I've actually written a program, and that program is a traffic light, the UK system or the UK traffic light system. So I have red, yellow, and green here. In this program, what I have used is just one timer. I've used one timer here, and the rest of the instructions are the compare function or the relational instructions. So if you look at here, I have the less than function, I have the less than or equal to function, and then I have the greater than or equal to function, the less than function, greater than equal to, less than function, greater than equal to, and then the less than function here. If we use this relational instructions or the compare function, it helps you to simplify a complex program, and this is the reason why I want us to share this knowledge together. Actually, I've written this program, and I'm going to show you how this program works and how you can also use the compare function and or the relational instructions to do your own program. It's not just for this traffic light, it could be used for any complex project, but it depends on what projects you want to program. So I have this program here, and what's going to happen is that the red light will stay on for 20 seconds, and then the yellow light will also stay on for 10 seconds, and the green light will stay on for 20 seconds, making 50 seconds, and then again the yellow light comes on for it comes on again for 10 seconds, making 60 seconds. That is 1 minute. So what I have done is I have preset this timer. This is turn or time on delay timer, and I have preset it to 1 minute, which is 60 seconds. So 20, 10, which is 30, plus 20, which is 50, plus 10, which is 60. Now, what I have done is, before the red light works, what I have used the greater than, the greater than function here. So before this function goes through, the timer elapsed time or the time elapsed or the timer elapsed time should be greater than 0 second, and this will also be true. This function here will also be true so far as the time elapsed is less than or equal to 20. Then this red light will stay on. Again, over here, this will go through, this timer here, or this function here, or this switch will go through so far as the time elapsed is equal to or greater than 20 seconds. And this will also stay true so far as the time elapsed is less than 30 seconds. Then this yellow light. So when the two are true, this yellow light comes on, and it stays on for 10 seconds. Then we come to the last one, which is the green. When the time elapsed is the time elapsed is greater than or equal to 30 seconds, then this function goes through, or this instruction goes through. And so far as the time elapsed remains less than 50 seconds, this function also goes through. If it goes beyond 50 seconds, it goes off. It becomes false. Then this light will also stay true. Once the two functions are true, this green light stays on for 20 seconds. After the 20 seconds, we come here. So far as this time elapsed is greater than or equal to 50 seconds, then this instruction goes true. Then we come here. So far as the time elapsed is less than 1 minute or 60 seconds, this instruction goes true, and this light, there's going to be a path from here. Then this light will stay true. And then after that, the system is interrupted here by the timer. The output of the timer after 60 seconds or 1 minute is used to interrupt this. Then the process starts again. The process begins again. Here I have a switch here, but the switch I have here, I used a memory switch here so that I can actually simulate this. I can simulate this circuit here in this space. I don't want to have so many pages open. I just want to stay in this page here and simulate it. That is why I used memory as a switch here. So let's go and simulate. But before that, let me just compile and see. And I think everything should be okay. Otherwise, I will find out if there is anything wrong. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go to, and then let me save it. Save any changes I've made here, and then I will go to simulate. So I will start a simulation, and then let's see. Now I have to search the PLC. I will search. It's just one PLC. That's that one. I don't have many PLCs connected to this computer. And then I will load it. Then I will click finish. And then I will just start it and see if it's going to work for us. So it's going to work. So I'm going to run the program, but I have to monitor it. So I'm going to click on this specs or goggles here. Now it's the time for us to simulate. So I'm going to turn this switch on, but before that, let me scroll up a bit. So I'm going to turn this switch on. I'll just turn it on by modifying it to 1. Now you see the red light is on, and it's going to stay on for 20 seconds. Then this one goes off. So 20 seconds, and that goes off, and it's now yellow. So yellow is on, and yellow will stay on for 10 seconds. It's gone off, and now it's green. So green will stay on for 20 seconds, and then it comes back to yellow, and the sequence repeats. Okay, so now it's back to yellow, as you can see, and this is the path. It's back to yellow. After 10 seconds, yes, now it's to red. So the sequence is going to carry on like that. It's going to carry on like that. Sequence is going to carry on and repeat itself. So far as we have the switch here locked in, the sequence will carry on as traffic light behaves. So this is our traffic light. Now it's yellow, red, and green. After the green, it goes back to yellow through this line all the way to there. So let's wait. When it comes here, it's going to follow this path. It's going to follow that path. Yeah, now it's here, and this path is yellow again, and from yellow it's going to go to green. So this is how you can use the compare or the relational instructions in addition to a timer to for example do a complex program like the traffic light. And it's not just the traffic light. You can use it for any complex program or project. And so knowing these functions or knowing these instructions is very, very good. Thank you very much for watching, and I expect more videos from you. But if you want if you actually need how to, for example, program this. I have programmed it before simulating. If you want to know how to program it, you can just email me, and I'll help you out. Thank you. Bye. This is Owusu once again. Bye.